the Telugu states are finally turning a page of cooperation after years of bitter water disputes. In a landmark breakthrough, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh have now reached consensus, and this is on key issues involving the Krishna and Godavari rivers. Now, Chief Ministers Revanth Reddy and Chandrababu Naidu met in capital city under the supervision of Union Jal Shakti Ministry, and the outcome now signals a fresh chapter of coordination and mutual respect between the two states. Now, from installing telemeters in all reservoirs to agreeing on long pending repairs at the Sri Sailam project, this meeting could pave way for sustained peace over water sharing between the two states. Now, here's what has been agreed upon according to the meeting. Andhra Pradesh has agreed to Telangana's proposal to install telemetry system across all major water projects and reservoirs. It is a big step to bring transparency and real-time monitoring of water usage by the state. Further, the two states have also finalized the locations of key administrative bodies, which is the Krishna River Management Board will now be headquartered in Vijayawada, while the Godavari River Management Board will now remain in Hyderabad. Crucially, Andhra Pradesh has also greenlight immediate repair works on the iconic Sri Sailam project, a demand Telangana had long raised and now which both the sides will jointly undertake. Further, to address the lingering disputes, a technical and officers committee will also be formed, and this is just within a week. And this team will chart a roadmap to resolve issues around Krishna Godavari Basin projects, including those related to Polavaram and Banakacherala. Now, above all, both states have also committed to using dialogue and cooperation, not confrontation in this case, viewers, to resolve all future differences. Differences could arrive in the future, and they've decided that dialogue is the way ahead. And this marks a promising shift towards regional harmony and shared progress when it comes to water management. Remember, the disputes dates long back between Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. This is over the water sharing when it comes to two rivers, River Krishna and River Godavari. And now finally, after a long meeting held in the capital city, the two chief ministers have agreed on certain points as to how they could now manage water sharing between the two rivers. And this essentially marks a promising shift towards regional harmony and shared progress. They've decided on the location of the boards. They've decided to use a real-time monitoring system that could track the usage of water by the states. And they've also decided that dialogue is the way ahead to resolve future differences, and confrontation is not something that should come at the table.